In this video, I'll be unboxing the DYMO LetraTag 200B Bluetooth label maker, so you get a better idea what's included in a box and what's not included. So let's get started. So first we have a quick start guide telling you how to set up the printer. And over here we have the printer in the middle. So this is the printer. Let's get back to it in just a few seconds because there's other things included in this box. Here we have a white plastic cartridge with the paper. This is 1/2 inch and it has 30 feet of length. And we also get a white paper cartridge. There's also a third one that is included inside of the printer itself. It's pre-installed. To open the top lid of the printer, you just need to swing it this way. And here we have another cartridge with paper. This one is the clear plastic one. So whatever you print, it won't show the background. The background will be transparent. The printer itself does not come with batteries that you'll need to operate. These are 4 AA batteries that needs to be put over here to make it work. Otherwise, this is pretty standard. Here we have the cutter. When the label is done printing, you can just press here and it will cut it for you. And yeah, it's quite simple and portable. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, I'll make many tutorials on how to use it. So stay tuned and also subscribe, like, write a comment as always. Thanks, and I will see you in the next one.